Don't buy this unless you're actually ready to see how nasty your couch really is. Because honestly, I was totally disgusted. I got this from the TikTok shop. Technically, it's a mattress vacuum, but it works insanely well on couches too. Believe it or not, this is what came out after just 4 passes. I was literally shook. It uses ultrasonic pulses 33,000 taps per minute to shake dust mites out from deep inside your mattress. And get this, when it detects mites, the light turns red. Hold it there for a few seconds, and once it's clean, it switches to blue. Plus, it blasts UV light and 145 degrees Fahrenheit hot air to kill 99.9% of bacteria, dust, and allergens on the spot. If you've got allergies or have been getting sick more than usual lately, you really need to try this. Normally it goes for around $200, but right now it's over 50% off with a 10-year warranty and lifetime support.